that cube from the center and place it. So get that cube at the middle of the field and place it center high, center high. Okay, look at a cube from the feeder. There's one in the corner. Oh, he's gonna drop. Just get the just that one. Okay, nice. Go center mid. Center mid. Okay, now we're cones. Go get cone shelf. Okay, they're there. So go get. Okay, they're good. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Okay. All right, good. We're cone open high. Open high. Okay. Good. All right, get another cone. Get another cone.
Can we get a cube?
No, go cone. Go cone.
Okay.
You're gonna place this one mid. The traffic is open right now. Okay. So open mid. Open mid. All right, get another cone. Get another cone. Lane's open. Get another cone. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, place this one mid. Now we're doing cubes. Okay, go to the cube. Go to the cube. Okay.
In front of our shelf.
Yeah, there's a cube in front of the shelf. Cube in front of the shelf. Okay, this one's gonna go high open. High open. You got a minute left. High open. All right. So yeah, go to another cube. Another cube. This one's going hybrid in front of us. Hybrid in front of us. Right there. Okay, get one more cube. One more cube. That buffalo. Okay, we're gonna place this cube. Get a cube. Okay, this one. Okay, this one's gonna go in the cable mid. So all the way down, cable mid. We got this.
I can't see it. Oh no.
We lost Tom. We lost elevator.
Okay, just climb.